Hey interior designers, building a website for your service shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple website for your interior design service in literally 5 minutes. Let's jump in. If you've randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with MartySites yet, welcome to our YouTube channel. MartySites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, as you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, interior designer. There it is over there. Great. Let's tell MartySites a few basic details about our interior designer business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click that continue button, MartySites will do all the hard work and generate a simple website for your very own business. It will also automatically bring up that pop-up, but close it for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you around and show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. Now, the great thing about the MartySites platform, which makes us a little bit different from any other website builder, is we've actually pre-written all the content specific to an interior designer. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, and again, they're specific to an interior designer. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase of the beautiful spaces you have designed. You want to showcase your work on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your business, let your customers know how you got into this industry, little background. They'd absolutely love to hear more about your business and how it came to be. To make any changes, you absolutely don't need to know any coding, as I mentioned. You don't need to be very tech savvy either. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your very own smartphone. So that means you literally don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let me give you a brief overview of how it works and how easy it is to make any changes. Let's click on the first section at the top over here. I'm going to pop in my email address, and I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check show email on site. Excellent. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. Maybe you are a mobile business, so you can leave this off, but otherwise pop your business address in over there. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update, social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed for your social channels at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. If you've got a business logo, just make your way over to the next section to upload it. You can make edits to your logo by clicking on the pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your brand new logo on your website to make it fit into that section, make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors, of course, you don't need to know any color coding. All you need to do is click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. If you'd like to change the call to action buttons, the contents, and maybe those images, just click on that handy update section button directly underneath the section you'd like to edit. Underneath update image, you have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. Look how beautiful those are. If you don't have any of your own images, of course, maybe you're just starting your business, you can also connect your Instagram account with a click of a button and pull in those photos. Now, underneath update action on the left, you have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons, where they're linked to. If you upload a PDF file, maybe an idea is to link a PDF file with your different rates and packages for your services. Or if you take online bookings, you can pop in the website URL over here. A lot of our customers like to use Calendly, for example. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you and potential customers with their queries and concerns. Keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Now, perhaps you've already purchased a custom domain, which is a smart move because having a custom domain makes your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. If you've already purchased a custom domain, you can connect it at the bottom over here by clicking on connect your domain. MartySites makes use of Entry, which literally connects your domain for you. If you don't have a custom domain yet, you can absolutely purchase one by clicking on that button as well. Say I want a new domain and purchase one one for your brand new website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos for some great marketing tips. You'll find loads of valuable information there on marketing your local business. All the best.